Hey, we're back on the road again.
Jeff, don't. Just stop. Yeah. But we are on the road again. This time we headed west of the metro.
Yeah, we're in Reno, as you can tell, and we're going to tell you all about cheap onion burgers, birthplace right here, trolley that you can ride, so much. Just come along.
Welcome to Reno. As Jeff mentioned, the birthplace of the onion burger.
Rachel, the onion burger, also known as the fried onion burger or depression burger, originated in El Reno during the Great Depression.
You know what, Jeff? That's basically what the sign said. Anyway, the burger corridor spotlights Sid's Diner, Robert's Grill, and Johnny's Burgers and Conies.
Man, those onion burgers get a chef's kiss. Yeah, they're that good.
Those conies with the slaw, never seen that.
But good, right?
I was a bit skeptical at first, Jeff, but it's really good. After you eat, jump on the authentic rail trolley that you might have seen in the movie Twisters.
It's a fully restored 1924 trolley, and it takes you through El Reno's downtown area, where you have to make a stop at Allie's Baking Boutique.
Allie Diaz has been baking all her life. She studied culinary arts and fell in love with creating sweet treats. Now she's living her dream of sharing delicious sweet treats and cakes with awesome people like us.
So Allie, what's your hope for the viewers about coming to see you?
We hope whenever you come down to El Reno that you make a pit stop here at our bakery. We promise that it won't be a one-time stop. You'll be back. And I am thankful for the clients that I have had these past 6 years that have kept us alive. I know times are hard, and so February will be 6 years, and so hopefully you'll be able to stop on by too.
Viewers really need to stop and talk to Allie. She is so sweet. And Jeff, I saw you going back for more of that strawberries and cream croissant.
Don't even get me started on how many times you went back for that little tart thing.
I'm not the one with high blood sugar.
Wow. Diabetes, anybody? El Reno really does have some really big things on the way, too.
Here's just a couple.
City Manager Matt Standage has some parting words for us.
Come on down to El Reno and check out the birthplace of the onion burger. While you're here, there's a lot of other things to do, a lot of shops downtown. You can ride the trolley. There's many other restaurants that are also downtown. Come check it out, see what we have to offer. 20 minutes from Oklahoma City. It's not as far as you think.
Jeff, it's another successful road trip.
A lot of fun, too. In fact, you could say it's a sweet one if you stop by the bakery, because that was really good.
Yummy.
It's a tasty trip if you go get you an onion burger. Or you got to do those hot dogs with the slaw on top. That was amazing.
That too, and come and ride the trolley. A lot of cool trolley events, Jeff.
And then after all that, you got to say what? I saw and heard about it where?
Right here on Where in the State.
There you go.